Donald Trump. Tonight, Trump's lawyers revealing he doesn't have the money, telling the court Trump is unable to secure a bond for $464 million after the civil fraud judgment against him in New York, saying Trump is facing, quote, insurmountable difficulties, claiming 30 insurance companies were unwilling to underwrite the bond. Tonight, New York State Attorney General Letitia James signaling she will try to seize some of Trump's properties if he's unable to pay the judgment. ABC senior investigative correspondent Aaron Katersky leading us off.
He has long promoted himself a billionaire.
I'm really rich. I'll show you that in a second.
But tonight, Donald Trump telling a New York appeals court he cannot cover the $464 million bond he must post 1 week from today as he appeals the civil fraud judgment against him. Trump's lawyers saying they face insurmountable difficulties. They approached more than 30 insurance companies for help and were rejected by each one. The main reason? Trump does not have enough cash, and the insurance companies were unwilling to accept his real estate assets as collateral. Trump and his eldest sons were found liable for fraudulently inflating the value of their real estate to get favorable bank loans. If Trump does not secure a bond by next week, New York Attorney General Letitia James can ask the court to seize his properties, which she told me she is willing to do.
You're prepared to have the state move to seize Trump's assets?
We are prepared to make sure that the judgment is paid to New Yorkers.
There's also the possibility that Trump could put his buildings up for sale now to raise quick cash, but his lawyers say that kind of fire sale would result in irrecoverable losses if his appeal succeeds. So bottom line, Trump wants the court to let him post a smaller bond. His lawyers say securing anything close to $464 million is a practical impossibility.
There's no telling when the appeals court may rule, but David, if Trump is unable to post a bond, the attorney general could begin to take ownership of Trump's properties. We're not sure that means padlocks and stickers on the door, but she told us she is determined to make sure Trump pays.
Hard to know what to expect. In the meantime, Aaron, the other breaking headline, there's also news in one of the criminal cases against Donald Trump tonight, the hush money trial scheduled to get underway next month. And we learned tonight that key witnesses and a piece of video that the country will remember will be allowed in this upcoming trial.
David, the judge just ruled that 2 key witnesses will be allowed to testify. The recipient of the hush money, porn actress Stormy Daniels, and Trump's former fixer, Michael Cohen. The judge will also allow the Manhattan District Attorney's Office to refer to the Access Hollywood tape, the one on which Trump explains how he grabbed women. David?
Aaron Katersky leading us off here on a Monday night. Aaron, thank you. 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 Aaron, thank you.